Are you ready to see the most satisfying woodworking tools ever made? Today, we're checking out 10 Woodpeckers masterpieces that redefine precision, power, and perfection. Let's jump straight in. And hey, don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you never miss the coolest woodworking gadgets on YouTube. Number 1, Woodpeckers T-Square 12-inch. This isn't your average T-Square. It's precision engineered for laser-sharp accuracy. With built-in edge support and scribing guides, it helps you mark lines smoother and faster. The anodized aluminum body feels premium and stays rust-free for years. Whether it's furniture or fine detailing, this tool keeps your work picture perfect. It's the kind of accuracy that separates a hobbyist from a real craftsman. Number 2, Woodpeckers Paolini Pocket Rule 6-inch. Tiny in size, but huge in precision. This ruler is every pro's secret weapon. The sliding stop lets you take perfect repeat measurements in seconds. With a vertical scale and scribing notch, it's perfect for small, detailed cuts. It's so smooth, it feels like measuring with confidence in your hand. Once you own it, you'll never use a cheap ruler again. Because when it comes to perfection, size doesn't matter. Number 3, Hosolution Right Angle Clamp 4-pack. No more wobbly corners. This clamp holds your projects at a perfect 90 degrees angle. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, it's lightweight yet built to last. Ideal for picture frames, boxes, or even heavy furniture joints. It makes solo projects so much easier. You can literally build with one hand. The result? Cleaner corners, tighter joints, and professional-level results. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever built without it. Number 4, Woodpeckers Precision Taper Jig 32-inch. Want flawless angle cuts? This taper jig gives you up to 15 degrees precision adjustments. It's perfect for table legs, trims, or custom woodworking projects. The non-slip base ensures smooth movement and zero errors. Made in the USA, this tool is all about quality and precision. It makes your table saw feel 10 times smarter and safer. This is a must-have if you're chasing next-level craftsmanship. Number 5, Woodpeckers StableMax Trim Router Base. Routing doesn't get smoother than this. The StableMax router base gives you ultimate control, accuracy, and stability. Compatible with Porter cable guide bushings, it fits most compact routers. Made from high-density phenolic, it reduces vibration and increases precision. Even on tricky curves, your cut stays buttery smooth. Once you upgrade to this, every other router base feels cheap. Number 6, Woodpeckers Auto Line Drill Guide. Drill straight, accurate holes anywhere, no drill press needed. This portable guide has a perfectly balanced base that ensures zero wobble. The adjustable fence lets you drill from any angle with confidence. It's built to last, whether you're in your workshop or on-site. Even beginners can drill perfect holes like a seasoned pro. It's like having a portable precision machine right in your toolbox. Number 7, Woodpeckers Cameline Dowel Jig 1/4 inch. Say goodbye to misaligned dowels. This jig locks in perfect spacing every time. It's built from solid aluminum and offers rock-solid accuracy. The indexing system keeps every dowel perfectly lined up. No guesswork. You'll cut hours off your build time while improving every joint. It's the secret to creating furniture that fits together like a puzzle. If you love tight, pro-level joints, this jig's worth every cent. Angles made effortless. This sliding T-bevel locks in at the perfect mark every time. The precision locking mechanism holds firm even with heavy use. Perfect for replicating angles from furniture, frames, or floorwork. It's small but feels like a high-end engineering tool in your hand. Built to last for decades, not months. If you're serious about accuracy, this gauge will never let you down. Number 9, Woodpeckers Mighty Mini Carbide Scraper. Small tool, big power. This scraper removes glue, paint, and finish with ease. Its 4-sided carbide insert means 4 times the lifespan of a regular blade. The curved design lets you work in corners and tight spots effortlessly. It's lightweight, comfortable, and built for precision work. No gouges, no rough edges, just silky smooth wood every time. Once you use it, sanding will feel like a thing of the past. Number 10. Woodpeckers Saddle T-Square 4-inch. This compact wraparound T-square redefines precision marking. It hugs your wood edges perfectly, giving you clean and consistent lines. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it's tough, lightweight, and beautiful. Perfect for joinery, layout work, and detailed scribing. It's a simple tool that delivers insanely accurate results.